Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you how and where you can find all channels associated to your Slack workspace really quickly. So let us get started now. Getting access to your channels to manage and to organize them, for example, is super simple. Head over to Slack, log into your account by clicking on sign in here in the top right corner. And after that, head over to this section top left corner and select your workspace by clicking on that arrow down icon. From that list, select your workspace, and here to the left you will see all associated channels to your workspace. So for example, you will see that one or any other channel you have already added. If you'd like to add more channels to your workspace on Slack, simply click on Add Channels here and either create a new one by clicking on that button or select Browse Channels to get a better overview of all of your channels inside your Slack workspace, to organize them, for example, to delete them, to remove them, to leave them, to join them, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.